Wishes to you all, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you about solid cylinder and hollow cylinder. If I will ask the question, students, where do you live? You will give the answer, I live in a house. So the house you are living in is built of walls. What we need to construct these walls? Walls are formed by keeping bricks one above the other with the help of sand mixed with cement, right? Houses will be bigger as the walls become big in size. Now we will do a small activity. Here 8 coins and 10 bangles are kept on this table. Now we will place them one above the other. What changes we will get? Now I will keep these bangles one above the other. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Here you can see the coins. I will keep these coins one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Now look at the changes here. These coins kept one on the other, and these bangles also kept one on the other, right? Now, when coins are placed one above the other, we get a solid cylinder. Okay. When bangles are placed one above the other, we get a hollow cylinder. Okay. Now just look at the changes here. I will repeat it again. When the coins are placed one above the other, we get a solid cylinder. When bangles are placed one above the other, we get a hollow cylinder. Students, you have attended the housewarming ceremony function of your relatives along with your parents. So there you have seen different types of tiles placed in the rooms. They have placed the tiles in different ways. Student, is it possible to arrange the tiles in desired patterns? So first we have to understand what is a tile. A tile is a thin object, usually square or rectangular in shape. Look at these figures. Here the tiles are arranged in different patterns. Am I right? By arranging different shaped tiles in different ways, various patterns can be obtained. Observe the arrangement of the tiles. The tiles of these shapes can cover the floor completely without any gaps. Is there any gaps in these tiles? No. So they tile each other. Look at the other shape. The tiles of these shapes do not cover the floor completely. There are gaps between the tiles, right? So they do not tile each other. I hope it is clear. In the next class, I will come with a new topic.